Hey guys, BMX Maintenance here, and for my first video I thought I'd do a little setup of my bike, specs and all that. So anyway, let's get started. This a premium solo 2010 bike with some added features, all new parts, whatever. This is a custom wheel from Source BMX in the UK. It's a proper orange rim laced onto a proper orange female Microlite sealed hub, normal forks, Lacey's signature bars. Just took the blue sticker off, which was there or there, whatever side it was. Normal stem, some Demolition brake tabs or gyro tabs, Snafu Detangler. Don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but the gyro plate is a vocal rise. The gyro plate, black. Stock back wheel, set sound. Not that loud. Need to get a new one. Federal slim seat post, seat clamp. Stock pedals, which are Odyssey twisted. Stock cranks, stock one bracket. Sprocket is a Colony Guettler's signature sprocket in black. Vocal screech pads, stock seat. I don't know if you can see pattern. There's their logo right there, if you can see. Normal brake lever, some fit Eddie Cleveland signature grips, and I think I've just covered it. Oh, I know I've got a new, can't really see it, but a new, you see, United headset. Anyway, I'll be doing some new videos soon. Just give me some ideas if you want me, what you want me to do, basically. Yeah, peace.